Take a deep breath and feel yourself coming home to the leader you already are. I want to speak to the part of you that has a vision for your life, a vision for your spiritual business, a desire to serve with ease and get paid for just being you, and a longing to earn with confidence, to sell without selling. You have a calling, you have a wisdom, you have lived experiences that shape your voice and your presence, and the world needs the care that you bring. So that's why I created something powerful and magical and special that will support you and your rise, your income, and your purpose. It's called the Self-Care Business in a Box Kit. Self-Care Business in a Box Kit. It is a complete, done for you, ready to launch self-care business that you can add to any other spiritual business. It is heart-centered. It is written with love. It is written by moi, who has done this work consistently for a very long time. It is life-changing spiritual technology that will help you to teach self-care and support your soulmate clients in your business and have them addicted to the care that you provide from your heart and soul and coming back again and again and again to work with you. So you get to work with amazing people that you love and would work for free on an island if you had to. And they get the best support, care, kindness, and empowerment that they need, that they will gladly invest in themselves through you. So I've written all kinds of stuff for you. This is going to be a powerful package that you could invest in today. Invest in yourself today and launch it tomorrow, okay? You have a full 5-module course with teaching scripts, slide text, workbooks, the whole 9. You have guided meditation scripts. You have a full 28-day challenge. You have a beautiful ebook that you can brand all of this. You can just take my name off of it, brand it yourself. And mini guides, journal pages, social captions, email sequences, nurturing sequences, a content calendar, and so much more. Everything you need to show up as a leader in the self-care space and have clarity, have ease, and have abundance. Every single word is written with heart, intention, human warmth, and coded psychologically with the magic that will magnetize your soulmate clients to you. Your clients will feel safe with this material. They will feel guided. They will feel held. And you can brand it, teach it, and sell it as your own. I built this so that you can rise without burnout. I built this so that you can build income with alignment. I built this so that you can serve in a deeper way and stand in your authority. I've been hearing from a lot of my friends and colleagues that they are finding that as they create things with AI and put it out there, that they may convince somebody to buy something once, but people are not coming back because it's not hitting the soul. There's a soul vibrational level, a frequency that artificial intelligence is not reaching. And that is why this heart-centered self-care business in the box kit, written with soul and love just for you, is exactly what you need. Done for you. Your spiritual business. Checkmark, done. Checkmark, done. If you already have my self-love business in a box kit and manifesting business in a box kit, you can combine this to really just flip everything. Again, without burnout. And because I want you to succeed inside your business and inside your spirit, I'm gifting you something priceless with your purchase. So you will receive full access to my course, Get Your Money Right. Get your money right to address any fears of selling, fears of launching, fears of money that you have. Get Your Money Right is an audio course so that you can be able to listen to it on the go. I built it as a busy mom for those who have a lot going on in their lives and need support. Get Your Money Right is going to be offered for $9.97 by itself, but you'll receive it free today because I want you to build your business with strength and ease. And I want your voice to expand and your income to grow and your energy to remain clear so that you can lead your community easily and effortlessly. So Get Your Money Right addresses, like I said, fear of launching, fear of visibility, fear of being seen and heard, fear of being judged, all of the fears that are slowing your growth and silencing your voice when it comes to your spiritual offerings. And there's one more layer of support available to you. You can also upgrade and add in Make 10K in 30 days with your self-care business in a box. Aha. This course gives you the full plan for your first launch with this whole intensive program. You'll receive daily steps, pricing structure, content ideas, warm-up strategy, energy practices, simple flow that'll help you enroll clients with clarity. This is the map that many spiritpreneurs crave. So if you want a true pathway into income, this course will give it to you with heart and grounded leadership. So here you go. You have everything inside you to build a thriving business. And this bundle will give you the structure. It will give you the tools, the content, and the support to make your rise smooth and aligned. Okay, a brand new season is coming. Brand new season of your life, a brand new season of your business right around the corner. Your folks, your audience, your soulmate clients want guidance. They want grounding. They want self-care. And you can deliver it with ease. Everything has changed. Everything dramatically and drastically in the world in the past year. I have friends who are multi-millionaire people, names that you would know of in the self-care and self-worth business, who this year are experiencing record lows. And we have to change and evolve and rise up the tide with the magic and spiritual gifts that we've been given. So here are the tools. I'm going to give you a code that will give you $1,000 off, $1,000 gift from me, my way of honoring your commitment to your purpose and your willingness to rise. I don't know how long I can keep this $1,000 off code going, but for now it is active. You can launch your course, you can build your income, you can step into authority, you can serve with grace, and you can do it with this self-care business in a box kit. So take another deep breath. Feel your courage settle in. This is your season of expansion. This is your moment to step forward because your work matters and your voice matters. And I'm cheering for you with every single step.